lovely people, it's Christina and welcome to my channel. And for my Curry crew that's watching, welcome back. If you're not a part of the Curry crew, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can join us, because over here all we do is encourage, inspire, and have fun at the same time. So you guys, I am getting ready to try a new gel, and of course you know by the thumbnail that I am trying that new Eco Style gel, and I am so excited. So if you want to see what I think of it and see my results, then keep watching because we're going to get started with that right now. Okay you guys, so today we are trying the new Eco Styler gel. I have been trying to get my hands on it. I kept going to my beauty supply store. They didn't never have it. I asked her about it. She acted like she didn't know what I was talking about. So I finally went on and ordered it from eBay. I really didn't want to. I don't like ordering from eBay. I don't know, for some reason I just don't trust them, but that's just me. But I went on and ordered it, and it didn't come when it was supposed to, so I sent the seller a message. But anyways, I ended up getting it yesterday. I ended up getting it in the mail, so I'm excited. But guys, let me tell you something. When I got this in the mail, I was very disappointed. Do y'all see how little this thing is? Like, what am I supposed to do with this? How long is this supposed to last me? Like, I really thought I was going to get a bigger size. As a matter of fact, I thought I was ordering this size. When I got this right here, I was so hurt. I was so hurt. I don't know if it even comes bigger than this or not, but this is a little 8 ounce. I thought I was going to be getting a, what is this, 16 ounce, but I'm gonna take this to my beauty, if I like it, I'm gonna take it to my beauty supply store, show her what I'm talking about, and if they do have it in a bigger size, ask her if she can get it in a bigger size, because I will definitely be buying it if I like it. Alright, so enough of that. Now let's get started. I did just get finished washing my hair and deep conditioning, and you guys, I did use a new deep conditioner from Shea Moisture. So if you hadn't seen that video, I'll make sure I link it down in the description box below so you can go check it out. It was a protein deep conditioner, so yeah, go check that video out to hear my thoughts and all of that. So I do have my leave-in in, and I did sit up underneath my dryer for 15 minutes after I put it in, and then I just put that bag back on my head. I'm just going to take these pins out. Alright, and then take these plaits loose right quick so we can get started. Alright, so my hair is still damp, but I do have my water bottle filled with hot water just in case I may need it. Alright, so you guys, this smells just like men's cologne. Like, no lie. But this is what it looks like. Very thick. It actually feels a little bit thicker than the regular Eco Style gel. It has that shimmery look to it, like the way the gold one does. Alright, so we're just gonna go in and get started. It says it's supposed to be more moisturizing, 10 times moisturizing. It repairs, conditions, defines, moisturizes, smooths, and shines. And it has a max hold of 10, and it's alcohol free. So we are gonna see if I like this one as much as I like the other one, the regular olive oil gel. So I'm gonna start with a little piece in the back. I don't think I'm gonna shingle this time. I'm tired now. I don't want to shingle. Alright, so we're gonna start with this piece. Work on damp hair. Don't want it too wet. Start with a little bit. Very thick, like I said. Make sure I smooth them roots, because the girl roots would be puffy. And then just smooth and rake the product into my hair, which is my favorite method. And it goes on real nice. It does go on smooth. It goes on my hair really smooth. So I like that. Has some decent slip. Alright, so this is what this first section is looking like. Curls looking really good, very defined. I like that. However, I do still seem to have a little bit of frizz near my roots, but for me that's normal because my hair is just naturally frizzy anyways, no matter what I try to do to it. Alright you guys, so basically I'm just go ahead and do the raking and smoothing method, or smoothing and raking method. For the rest of my hair, I am going to keep this middle part because once it dries, then I'll just kind of close it up a little bit and turn it into a bang. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I'll be back when I'm done. I'm not going to worry about filming that part. You guys have seen me do a lot of wash and goes now. So yeah, I will be back when I am done and let you guys see what my hair is looking like while it's wet. Okay, y'all, so I am finally done, and as you can see, it is already starting to dry, which is why this side has shrunk up more. This was the last side that I did, so it's still a little damp, but this is what we were looking like, you guys. I am loving these curls. Like, it almost looked like I shingled my hair, and I didn't. But I am going to let this dry. It is already starting to dry. Like, the bottom back is already dry down here at the bottom. So I think I am going to just let this air dry for a little while. It's still kind of early. So yeah, I think I'm gonna let this air dry, and then if it's not dry, close time for when I'm getting ready to go to bed, I'll sit up underneath my dryer and let it finish drying. But I will be back tonight after it dries to let you guys see how it looks and to give you my final thoughts on this new Eco Style gel. But yeah, as of right now, I'm loving it. But of course, you know how our hair is. It can look bomb when it's wet, but then when it dry, it's like it could be completely not good. So yeah, just gonna let this air dry, and then air dry and or sit underneath the dryer, and then I'll be back before I go to bed tonight and show you guys what my dry results look like. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I am done. My hair is completely dry. I did let it air dry for about, I think it was like 5, a little after 5 or 6 when I got done, and it is now 12:05. So I just got out from up underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes. So it air dried from that time until now. When I came home, it was still damp down in my roots, so I just went on and set up underneath the dryer to go ahead and finish drying it. So we're completely dry, and this is what it's looking like. It is very shiny, very moisturized. It does have a I'm not going to say a crunch, but it does have a gel cast. So I did put some meat oil in my hands and rub it together, and I pulled at my roots because that's where it was crunchy at my roots. So I pulled to break that crunch or that cast. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. And I like it a lot. I am loving this definition that I got. I always get good definition with that Eco Style olive oil gel. I love it. It's my favorite one. But you guys, I think this one right here beats the regular one. I love this stuff. I will definitely be taking this to my beauty supply store and asking her if she can get this one in, and if they have it in a bigger size, to please get it in a bigger size, because I will be a regular customer with that right there. So this is how much I did use. I did use a handful. I probably can get about 2 more uses out of here, maybe 3 if I don't use a lot. I was scared, even though I don't have any problems with the Eco olive oil, the regular one, flaking on my hair. I was scared that because I use so much of this that it would flake, because I did kind of use a lot, especially at my roots, trying to smooth my roots down. But you guys, I have no flakes whatsoever. So far, no flaking. I have to give it a couple of days to see if it's actually going to flake, because you guys know sometimes we can use stuff, it don't flake that first day, and then later on you end up getting flakes. So right now, as of now, no flakes. As I was putting it on with this gel right here, for me, my hair personally, it's kind of a give or a take. If I wet my hair too much, and then it was not taming my frizz like I wanted it to. However, if I only had my hair damp and tried to put it on, because it's so thick, it didn't really have a good slip to it. So it was either wet your hair and have more frizz, or just keep your hair damp and kind of take your time, because there's not really any slip on it. So basically I just kind of kept my hair damp because I wanted my frizz tame, even though I still do have some frizz, but I wanted most of my frizz tame, so I didn't really wet it. I just kept it damp and was just making sure I was very careful as I raked it through my hair. However, it did go on smooth, so I always start at my roots and move down to my ends, and it did go on smooth. I put it on my roots and smoothed it right on down with no problems at all. So yeah, I really like this gel, you guys. I love it. This is a good gel. I will continue to use it. If you have thin strands or your hair is thinner than mine, then just keep in mind that this is thicker than the regular olive oil gel, and it did weigh my hair down as I was putting it on, but as you can see, it did not elongate my curls or anything. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I am not even going to band my hair. I am going to let my hair stay like this. I am not doing any banding because as of right now, with this humidity in Georgia, banding my hair and stretching it is a waste of time, because I did that with my last wash and go. I was only outside for like a couple of hours, and when I came back in, my hair had shrunk back up. And not only did it shrink back up, but it was nappy at the roots because I was sweating in my head. So I am not even going to waste my time and band my hair. We just gonna have shrinkage until I get rid of this wash and go, or I decide to do something else with it. So that's just the way it's gonna be right now. But I think it's cute like this. I get to show off my definition, and I actually get to show off my curls without stretching them out. So yeah, you guys, that's all I have for this video. So glad I finally got my hands on this. Been wanting to try this now for some months. I love it, love it, love it. So that's all I have. I hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the Curry crew. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. It means so much to me. And until my next upload, you all enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.